talk to an average 20-year-old and watch how they use ChatGPT. And then you go talk to like an average 35-year-old and how they use it or some other service. And like the difference is unbelievable. It reminds me of like, when the smartphone came out and like every kid was able to use it super well, and older people just like took like 3 years to figure out how to do basic stuff. And then of course people integrate. But the sort of like generational divide on AI tools right now is crazy. And they have like complex ways to set it up to connect it to like a bunch of files, and they have like fairly complex prompts memorized in their head, or like, in something where they paste in and out, and they don't really make life decisions without asking like ChatGPT what they should do. And it has like the full context on every person in their life and what they've talked about. And, the memory thing has been a real change there, but gross oversimplification. But like older people use ChatGPT as a Google replacement. Maybe people in their 20s and 30s use it as like a life advisor or something. And then like people in college use it as an operating system.